Hello, Primary 2. How are you today? Hope you are fine. We are still in Unit 3, A Day in My Life. A Day in My Life. Our lesson today is a grammar lesson about question words. What are the question words? Question words are used to ask about specific person, time, place, thing, or feelings. I'm going to use question words to ask about specific person, time, place, thing, or feelings. For example, look at the picture, please, Primary 2. I will use who to ask about person, like mom, dad, brother, grandma, grandpa, your friend. So I will use who to ask about person. I will use what to ask about things or animals, like dog, pencil, apple, bus, cat, books, watermelon. I will use what. When, I will use when to ask about time, at 8 o'clock, at 7 o'clock, or when I'm asking about morning, night, evening, I will use when. The next one, where. I will use where to ask about places like school, like home, like beach, and so on. And don't forget, Primary 2, at the end of the question, we find question mark. We find question mark. As you can see, we find a question mark. Open your English booklet, please, page 133. We have here some examples again. Who for person. When I'm asking about person, I will use who. The next one, what. When I'm asking about things or action, I will use what. Next, when. When I'm asking about time, I will use when. Where. When I'm asking about places. When I'm asking about places. How. When I'm asking about feelings. Like what? Like sad, happy, tired, excited. I will use how. Or when I'm asking about weather. How is the weather like today, Primary 2? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? Is it sunny? So I will use how. And the last question word, why. Why is for reason. I will start my sentence with because, or I will start my answer with because I'm asking about reason. One more time. Are you ready? Who for person, when for time, where for place, where for place, what for things or actions, why because, how for feelings, how for feelings. Okay, open your English booklet, please, Primary 2, on page 134. Let's practice some exercises on question words. This page classwork. Exercise A. Complete the following sentences using the right question word. Number 1. Space, is your mother in bed? As you can see, here is the question mark because this is a question. So I will use question word. Because she is tired. Because she is tired. When I find because, so I will put why. Why is your mother in bed? Because she is tired. Number 2. Space, are they? Here is a question mark. They are in the school bus. School bus. This is place, so I will put where. Where are they? They are in the school bus. Number 3, space, are you going? Question mark, because this is a question, so I will use question word. I'm going to the cinema. Cinema, this is place, that's right, so I will use where for place. Number 4, space, is Ahmed doing? Question mark. He is writing a letter. He is writing. This is an action. This is a verb. So I will use what is Ahmed doing? He is writing a letter. Number 5, space, is this? Question mark. It's a lamp. It is a lamp. Here is lamp is something. I will use what is this? It is a lamp. Number 6, space, do you live? I live in London. London is a place, so I will use where do you live? I live in London. Number 7, space, that girl, she is my sister. Sister, person. I will use who's that girl? She is my sister. Number 8, space, do banks open? At 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock. This is time. When do banks open? At 8 o'clock. Number 9, space, are you wearing that coat? Question mark. Because it's cold. Because. When I find because, I will use why. That's right. Number 10, space, can he speak? Question mark. He can speak Chinese. What can he speak? He can speak Chinese. Number 11, the game. The game is very interesting. This is feeling, so I will use how is the game. The game is very interesting. Move to page 135, primary 2. This page homework, do it at your home. Please write the correct question word at each sentence. Turn the page, please. Page 136. This page classwork. Let's start. Exercise B. Complete the following with the right or suitable question word. What, when, who, where, and why. Number 1. Space, are you going? Are you going? I'm asking about place. I will use where. Number 2, is your best friend? Friend is a person, so I will use who is your best friend. Number 3, time do you get up? I'm asking about time. I will put what time do you get up? Number 7, is your birthday? This is time or date, so I will use when is your birthday. Number 5, space, are you sad? Sad is an action, person, feeling. Yeah, that's right, this is feeling, so I will use why are you sad. Number 6, do you live? I'm asking about place. I will use where. Number 7, is your favorite food? What is your favorite food? Move to page 137. This page homework. Do it please at your home. Exercise C. Choose the correct question word. Please make a circle or underline the right question word. Read the sentence or the questions and read the answer carefully. then choose the right answer. Turn the page 138. This page classwork, as you can see. Let's practice it, please. Number 7. Space is the girl next to Jannah. She is Khadija. I'm going to choose the right answer. Where, when, or who? I'm asking about person. Is the girl next to Jannah? She is Khadija. Khadija is a person. I will use who is the girl. Number 8. Space is your favorite fruit. Apple and strawberry. Why, what, or who? What's the right answer, primary 2? I'm asking about something you can eat. I will use what is your favorite fruit. Number 9. Space is your exam. It is good. The right answer. How is your exam? Number 10. Is your name? My name is Hala. Of course, what is your name? Move to page 139. This page homework is very easy. Match the right question word with the right answer. Look here, I have who, what, where, when, and why. And on the other side, I have thing, reason, time, person, place. Please at your home match with the right answer. Let's sing again. Who for person, when for time, where for place, where for place, what for things or actions, why because, how for feelings, how for feelings. Okay, now we come to the end of our lesson today. See you soon, primary 2. Goodbye.